I was lost, down and weary, stumbled through the darkest night. Then you found me, held me steady, turned my shadows into light. Through every storm, through every trial, you stood strong, you walked beside, lifted me when I was broken. With your love you turned the tide. Oh, sweet Maria, my guiding star, you lift me up no matter how far. With your love I've found my way. You're my heart, my home, my day. We built a life, love unshaken. With our children, dreams took flight. Every step, every triumph, you stood proud, my shining light. Through the years, through joy and sorrow, every dawn and each tomorrow, I thank the stars for all we've done, for love that grows for days to come.